Adding a class to your Epic School account. Once you've set up your account, then you'll need to set up your class. All you need to do that is, in your class summary section, you've clicked on My Students, you've gone to this, which will take you to here. You click on Add Students. What I do here is I have just copied all the names of the learners from my Astle. It'll drop their names in, then it goes continue, and you'll get your students all lined up there. And that is how you create the group. Then when you want your students to log in, you will just give them that code, and there's a set of log instructions there for them. It is really, really simple. The only other thing I'll now show you to do is I want to assign a book to them. So I've put my topic in there. I'm going to look at a book and I'm going to choose this one. No, let's go Hercules because it's Disney. And then all you do is you click on assign. Any instructions you want to. I can assign it to a class. And this is assigned to my class. I can check out where they're at with it by clicking on assignments. I've assigned it to 31. There is no due date. No one has completed it. It keeps a record of what's going on. So here's my Poseidon one from earlier. Assigned to 31, 11 completed.